directional and hedge fund manager community. And that knowing when to be buying the call, knowing when to sell the call is the Option Wizard's alert service. So, having said that, there's a lot more that you're going to be learning about the Option Wizard. The most important thing is that the Option Wizard is always buying here, selling that call that was inflated and the put was deflated. Now I got inflated and you lost all the premium here, just like you lost all the premium in the call. The Option Wizard says you lost all the premium here and you gained premium back. Knowing when to use the Option Wizard alert service for that entry and that sell is the most powerful service available year to date within the exchange model service when it becomes making transactions and call options and put options. And why is a market maker always the one that comes out on top, but the public people like yourself who are extremely handicapped always end up losing money? The Option Wizard would like to put a stop to that. The Option Wizard does not care to see that happen to you anymore. So even though that the Option Wizard is anonymous and behind the scene like every true wizard should be, is that the public is going to get a chance to quit taking the bloodbath or stop taking the bloodbath. So when the call is up here, you don't sell and you write it down each day until it gets to the bottom and you sell out. And then if you did have a put, you wouldn't know when to sell it up here. You don't have any mythology to go with it. You don't have any backbone application. We built every application on our own over a 30-year period to get to the fact of where the Option Wizard makes decisions. But why could the Option Wizard be a wizard? There has to be a reason. The Option Wizard is a wizard on entries and exits and directional price movement. Long the equity, short the equity, buying put against a reversal, buying a call long, knowing when to get my entries. And it's very, very mathematical, and it works every single time. So, once again, as an introductory, I know that the opening video is long, but we don't rehearse things. We just tell the truth, and we trade them every day. And the Option Alert service will be using this method and its market-making capabilities where the public will never get a chance to use. Once again, I will move that aside. Once again, I'm going to show you where the inflated 410 put was. Once again, I'm buying the 410 call. I'm selling here. I'm buying here. I do it regularly. I understand in my market maker platform that I put a top in and I shorted the equity all the way down. And then as I was shorting Apple, the Option Equity Wizard was shorting Apple down. The Option Equity Wizard was putting out an alert to buy the 410 put that went straight up in value. And as we went straight down $68 here, then the Option Wizard knew that this had to be sold and then bought at the bottom again. But you need to know that the Option Wizard alert service is like no other, because there is no other true system out there. All the systems are based on speculation and what if, and maybe it will, maybe it won't. All of you viewers have been in that crowd. You don't want to be there no more. It hasn't been healthy for you. And the thing about it is, the Option Wizard, every single day, from the open to the close on a compounded 5-day level, yearly level, has been doing this and developing things for the last 20-year period. Started 10 years prior to that. So there's 30 years in there, but there's 20 years of hardcore development that has brought us to such a system that we don't even sell this. It's an Option Wizard alert service that will have many upscale services over time that will go with this platform. Knowing when to buy a call, knowing when to sell it, is what the Option Wizard does all the work for you. And we use a very sophisticated platform to be able to put those alerts out that are not false, they're not probability, they're not what if, they're not that I'm going to call my neighbor and say, hey, do you think the calls are going to go up that I bought yesterday? That doesn't cut the mustard. The Option Wizard says that's what the public does. and the professional community does. And even the professionals today do not understand where the option market truly is. Okay, they steal premium out of calls, they steal premium out of puts, they do everything that they can to take your money, and the option wizard feels that that is not acceptable to you. And because of our strong feeling that the option wizard he's working for you. And he's going to continue to work for you as long as you're within the Option Wizard Alert service, and we have many upscale services that will be incorporated.